Hello, welcome to Cooking Fun with Anshika. Let's start cooking. Hey guys, it's October, it's Halloween time, so we have to make some recipes using pumpkin puree, right? So today I'm going to show you how can we make pumpkin puree in our instant pot. I am using my Ninja Foodi for that. We do not need to peel or cut our pumpkin, it will go straight into the pot. So let's do it. I hope you can see I've just filled about an inch of water in the pot and then have put the small rack, and on it I've put my medium-sized pumpkin. If your pumpkin is too large, you might have to cut into half, but mine will fit straight into the pot. It is medium-sized, and now I'm going to lock the lid. So this is my setting, high pressure for 6 minutes. So now you can see my pumpkin has all steamed well. I am just going to cut it. See, it will just automatically peel. What I will do is I'll cut it into a half and then scoop out all the pulp. Look at that. Yeah. With the help of a spoon, I am going to take out all the seeds. See how easy it is to just remove this. I'm going to wash it from the pulp and keep it. We have a lot of ducks around our area, so I'm going to feed this to them. Yes, we have lots of ducks and pigeons in our area. So now I've managed to take out all the seeds out. It's time to take out the pulp. And it is so easy to take the pulp out with your spoon as well. Some seeds here which I'll take off, and then just put the pulp in my blender jar. So I'll do this and show you the puree. So this is the amount of pulp, just half the pumpkin is given me. I'm going to puree this and then use the other half. Look at that, our silky smooth pumpkin puree is ready. I have used NutriBullet to puree this, so there was no need to add any water. But if you don't have a high-speed blender, maybe add a bit of water to puree. So guys, now the next step is to make some really interesting recipes with this amazing puree. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting them very shortly. Till then, have a lovely day and see you soon. Bye.